Okay guys, milam la withdrawal la motorcycle staking platform so mamitra la withdrawal ni milukim. Disclaimer ahead, disclaimer no financial advice. Me taking risk. If you want to take the risk, then you it. Okay, me go withdraw. Okay, pero la withdraw la 260 USDT kung Binance account, Binance wallet lumi so make withdraw la just la go inside. So no plus taking platform me la try na me looking. So na me le look at me copy pinis Binance address wallet lumi wallet address me copy pinis so go me write in all amount antala amount and 260 USDT so pamputi password lumilian so okay me press confirm na looking so confirm okay withdraw successfully okay Mr. na looking checking on lo Binance notification lo Binance now can notification come inside. Okay, well look at my deposit of 260 USDT is currently processing. Process it. I'm going to now. I'm going to log Binance account. Okay, email to come. Let me check email. Okay, USDT deposit confirm. Okay, I'm confirm. I'm going to finish. So I'm told. Awesome. If you want to take the risk, mommy drop in link below platform down below video description. So tap it up no account blue na. Flow. That's all.